are some quotes about earthquakes. An earthquake is the best time to check if your neighbor is hot or not. During an earthquake, people run outside thinking that the fresh air will save them. That's why it's important to have a plan in place with your friends. Who's gonna call 911? Who's gonna grab the wet wipes? Who's gonna comfort the crying babies? You need to have a plan. I don't trust stairs during an earthquake. If the building is still standing after the first one, you're good. If not, you need to get out of there as fast as you can. The most dangerous place in any city during an earthquake is near a hospital. Because when the hospitals are full of people who are dying from the earthquake, they're not going to be able to help the people who come in afterwards with the cuts and the bruises. You're better off just staying home. If you want to know how strong an earthquake is, just look at the damage that it does. The strongest earthquake that I ever felt was in Japan in 2011. It was a magnitude 9.0. The buildings were literally falling down around me.